In the vast expanse of our solar system lies Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, a gas giant tipped on its side. Often overlooked in favor of its more flamboyant neighbors, Uranus holds a treasure trove of mysteries and wonders. Join me as we explore the captivating secrets of Uranus, a planet that challenges our understanding of planetary systems. Uranus spins on its side, with its axis tilted at an astonishing 98 degrees. This unique orientation makes Uranus one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system. Imagine a world where the sun barely peaks above the horizon for decades. This is the reality for Uranus, where one pole can experience 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. Scientists. Astronomers believe that early in the solar system's history, a massive object, possibly the size of Earth, slammed into Uranus with incredible force. This cataclysmic event left Uranus reeling, its rotational axis knocked askew. The collision was so powerful that it not only altered Uranus's tilt, but also likely affected its internal structure and atmosphere. The impact would have sent shockwaves through the young solar system, influencing the formation and evolution of other celestial bodies. This cosmic accident unlocks many of the planet's mysteries, from its extreme seasons, which are unlike any other planet, to its unusual magnetic field, which is tilted and offset from the planet's center. The tilt of Uranus is a constant reminder that our solar system is a dynamic environment shaped by collisions and the relentless pull of gravity. These cosmic events continue to influence the planets and moons, creating the diverse and fascinating system we observe today. The year was 1781. William Herschel, a German-born British astronomer, was scanning the night sky with his homemade telescope. Historian. As Herschel meticulously charted the stars, a faint, disc-like object caught his eye. It moved slowly against the backdrop of stars, a telltale sign that it was closer to Earth. Astronomer Herschel realized that he had discovered a new planet, the first to be identified since ancient times. The discovery of Uranus expanded the known boundaries of our solar system. Herschel's discovery was a testament to the power of observation and human curiosity. Uranus is shrouded in a thick atmosphere, a swirling mixture of gases that conceals its true nature. This mysterious planet, often overlooked in the solar system, holds many secrets within its gaseous veil. Scientist. The atmosphere of Uranus is a complex system, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. These two elements dominate the planet's outer layers, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. Methane, a colorless gas, absorbs red light from the sun, reflecting back the blue and green wavelengths. This gives Uranus its characteristic cyan hue, a serene appearance that belies the turbulent activity beneath. Beneath this upper layer of methane, the atmosphere is thought to be composed of layers of clouds. These clouds are made up of water, ammonia, and other compounds, each layer contributing to the planet's complex weather patterns. These clouds are driven by powerful winds that can reach speeds of up to 560 miles per hour. These winds, among the fastest in the solar system, create massive storms and vortices that can last for years. The atmosphere of Uranus is a reminder that even the most seemingly placid worlds can harbor incredible power and complexity. It challenges our understanding of planetary atmospheres and invites us to explore further, to uncover the secrets hidden within its swirling depths. Imagine a world where a single season lasts for decades. Scientist. Because of its extreme tilt, Uranus's poles take turns pointing almost directly at the sun during its 84-year orbit. Each pole experiences about 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. During its summer solstice, one pole of Uranus points directly at the sun. Meanwhile, the other hemisphere is plunged into a long, dark winter. These extreme seasons have a profound impact on Uranus's atmosphere, driving its weather patterns. Scientist. The long periods of darkness and sunlight create dramatic temperature differences, leading to intense storms. Uranus possesses its own system of rings, a delicate collection of icy particles and dust. These rings, though not as famous as Saturn's, hold their own unique charm and mystery. Scientist. These rings, first discovered in 1977, are much fainter and darker than Saturn's rings. Unlike the bright and reflective rings of Saturn, Uranus's rings are composed of darker materials, making them less visible. 13 distinct rings have been identified so far, each with its own unique characteristics. Some are narrow and dense, while others are broad and diffuse. Each ring tells a different story about the planet's history and the forces that shaped it. Unlike Saturn's rings, Uranus's rings are thought to be made up of darker materials. This difference in composition suggests a different origin and history for Uranus's rings compared to those of Saturn. Scientist. The origin of Uranus's rings is still a subject of debate among astronomers. Some believe they are remnants of a moon that was shattered by a collision, while others think they could be the result of a comet that strayed too close to the planet. Some theories suggest that the rings are relatively young, formed from the breakup of a moon or a comet. This would mean that the rings are constantly evolving, shaped by the gravitational forces of Uranus and its moons. Regardless of their origin, the rings of Uranus serve as a reminder of the dynamic nature of our solar system. They are a testament to the ever-changing and evolving universe we live in, where even the most distant planets hold secrets waiting to be discovered. Deep within Uranus lies a core of rock and ice, generating a magnetic field unlike any other. Scientist. Uranus's magnetic field is an enigma, tilted at a sharp angle to its axis of rotation. This unusual configuration creates a magnetic field that is constantly shifting and changing. Scientist. The reason for this bizarre magnetic field is still a mystery, but it's related to the planet's unique internal structure. Unlike Earth, Uranus's magnetic field is thought to originate from a shallower layer. This strange magnetic field influences the flow of charged particles from the Sun, creating spectacular auroras. Uranus is surrounded by 27 known moons, each a world in its own right. Scientist. These moons, named after characters from Shakespeare and Pope, are a diverse collection of icy worlds. Some of Uranus's moons, like Miranda, are heavily cratered, bearing the scars of a violent past. Scientist. Others, like Ariel, have smoother surfaces, hinting at a more recent period of resurfacing. Titania, the largest of Uranus's moons, is a world of icy canyons and vast plains. These moons offer tantalizing clues about the formation and evolution of planetary systems. Uranus holds the record for the coldest planetary atmosphere in our solar system. With temperatures plummeting to -371 degrees Fahrenheit, Uranus is a realm of extreme cold. Scientist. This frigid environment is a result of Uranus's immense distance from the Sun. Despite its serene appearance, Uranus is a world of surprisingly dynamic weather patterns. Massive storms, some larger than Earth, have been observed raging in its atmosphere. Scientists, these storms can last for decades, swirling across the planet like cosmic hurricanes. Deep within Uranus's atmosphere, it's believed that diamonds rain down from the sky. Our exploration of Uranus has been limited to a single spacecraft, Voyager 2, which made a historic flyby in 1986. Engineer Voyager 2's instruments measured its atmospheric composition, mapped its magnetic field, and captured stunning images of its icy moons. The data from Voyager 2 revolutionized our understanding of Uranus. Since then, no other spacecraft has visited this distant world, leaving many questions unanswered. Engineer. However, there are plans for future missions to Uranus, which could unveil the secrets hidden beneath its icy exterior. Future missions to Uranus could revolutionize our understanding of this distant world. Engineer, imagine a dedicated orbiter circling Uranus for years, meticulously mapping its fields and studying its atmosphere. Engineer, imagine landers descending through Uranus's atmosphere to analyze its composition. Engineer, and imagine probes diving into the depths of its icy moons, exploring their hidden oceans. These missions could unlock the secrets of Uranus's formation and reveal the existence of life beyond Earth. Engineer, Uranus is becoming a familiar friend, a world ripe for exploration and discovery. From its peculiar tilt and extreme seasons to its faint rings and icy moons, Uranus has challenged our perceptions. It's a reminder that our solar system is a place of endless diversity. If you've enjoyed this journey to the seventh planet, be sure to subscribe for more explorations of the cosmos. Thank you for joining me on this adventure to Uranus. Keep looking up, keep questioning, and keep exploring the universe around us.